Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So in order to do that, you need to launch your Instagram application on your device, log into your specific account. Then after click on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of the screen and select the three lines in the top right to go to your settings and activities section. From here, select manage account option. Then select manage in the top and select deactivation or deletion. Then after select delete profile, which is permanent, but deactivating your profile is temporary. Then enter the correct password of your Instagram account. After you choose the specific reason, go through the on-screen instructions, select continue, and finally enter the password of your Instagram account. Your account will be set to deletion process and your account will be permanently deleted and all of your information will also be permanently removed from the Instagram platform after 30 days. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.